Hey guys, this is Anna, and today we're doing Chapter 5, Trigonomic Functions, and I'm going to do a question from Section 5.3 on page 231. I'm going to do 2G, which is asking us to determine the exact value of each trigonomic function. So to start off, I'm actually going to write out a little table that helps me when I try and find exact values. So I'm going to start off with pi over 6, pi over 4, and pi over 3. And then I'm going to write on top sine, SC, and T, which stand for sine, cosine, tan. So our first ratio is 1 over 2. The second one is 1 over root 2. And the third one is 2 over root 3. And then I'm going to just write the rest of these.
It's good.
Sorry, I made a little mistake. Okay, so our first step I like to do is write out a little quadrant and just see where this 5 pi over 4 fits in. So I know that this is 2 pi, so I'm going to write this as 8 pi over 4 because that's the equivalent to 2 pi. And then I'm going to write this one as just 4 pi. 4 pi over 4. So then this one will be 2 pi over 4, and this one will be 6 pi over 4. So I know automatically that my trigonomic function is in the third quadrant, right here. I'm just going to draw a little line. And then I'm going to write in the CAS rule, or the all students take calculus rule, which is and since my trigonomic function is in the third quadrant and it's a sine function, I know it's going to be negative. So then when I look at my reference angle right here, so the x-axis, I know that it's 5 pi over 4, and then I'm going to subtract 1 pi, which just gives us pi over 4. So this little reference angle in here, I don't know if you can see it, is pi over 4. I'm going to draw a little arrow. Pi over 4. And so I'm going to look at the pi over 4 row, and I know it's a sine function, so this is going to be 1 over root 2. And so I'm going to write 1 over root 2, but the thing I have to remember is that since it's in the third quadrant, sine is negative, so the exact value is actually negative 1 over root 2. And that's what our sine 5